helicopter aren't used too much during the flight.
Okay.
But I'll go ahead and we'll kind of push them to go out of trim, and then I'll have you bring us back. Just kind of play with them. They're used a lot when there's a lot of wind, which is pretty calm.
Okay.
So a lot. Move it smoothly, but you might have to move it like this one's inches, this one's centimeters.
Okay.
Just keep that in mind.
Okay. It should not be in the opposite way.
Yep.
It will be too quick otherwise.
If you move this a little bit, nothing bad's gonna happen. But if you move that a lot, you'll be in for a
I understand.
ride.
Yeah.
Make it smooth as possible for you.
So you understood, right?
Of course, it is a lot of information.
Yeah. And what are those switch for? So that one.
All of these turn on different electrical stuff, or like lights,
okay,
radios, all that stuff. There's
okay. So there are too many clocks or the meters that I can see.
So basically, as we fly, I'll show you two of them to kind of watch when we're sitting in the helicopter.
Okay.
All the rest is there's going to be way too much information coming at you.
Yeah.
So we'll try and keep it as simple as possible.
Okay, makes sense.
I'll definitely show you a couple of them to watch.
Okay, so is that music box or something else?
No music. So basically, radio and a GPS down there.
Okay.
And then a transponder to let everybody know who we are and where we are. Basically, all the controllers.
Okay. And how do you get to know like what is the altitude, and have some meters over there for that?
So the bottom left one shows altitude.
So got it. Okay.
In hundreds of feet. And then the one up here with the green around the outside shows the airspeed.
Okay.
We'll kind of want to fly probably around 65, 70 knots and at 500 feet.
Okay.
So basically, kind of looking for both those needles to be pointed down.
And what are those lights show? Like, do they?
They're warning lights.
Warning lights. So like, if the fuel gets down, those kind of.
Yep. If the fuel goes on, if there's anything goes wrong with any part of the helicopter, one of those lights will light up. Fuel, oil.
Okay.
RPMs.
Nice.
All that fun stuff.
Cool. Too much of information, but it's really great.
Yep.
Yeah.
We all have headsets in it. We'll put that on after I get the engine started.
Okay. Yeah, I think that's to reduce the noise.
Yep, and then so we can hear each other.
Okay, gotcha. Nice.
I'm actually good. We chopped off those this morning. Okay. Thanks,
That altimeter shows 5 means we are 500 feet